Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. At the top we've got the system navigation, so let's enter, and here as you can see we've got two different options. Of course, in order to set the gestures we will have to tap on this animation. However, before I'd like to draw attention to the options which are under those modes, because here if you will decide that you want to stick with the buttons, you can customize them here, so you can reorder the back button and the recents. What is more, you can wake the Google Assistant with home button. I mean, you can customize this option, so up to you of course. Alright, so first of all, in order to set the gestures, we have to tap on them, and here your device is informing you that it is able to open the tutorial, thanks to which you will learn how to use the gestures. However, I don't want to use it, especially because I know how to use the gestures already, and I will show you later on. And again, instead of the three buttons, we've got of course this line, which will be responsible for particular gestures. However, we can hide it, and to be honest, I really prefer this option to be kept turned on. Thanks to this, we've got this clear and clean screen without any lines. You can, as I said, customize the gestures here also, so you can restart the prevention, you can switch to previous apps. Of course, here we've got the tutorial also, and here we've got the sensitivity to back gesture. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so for example a week, because thanks to this you will be able to decide whether you need this left edge or right edge to be lower or higher. It simply depends on your personal preferences, so as I said, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center of our device, just like that, until we will see this arrow, and after releasing we will simply get back. And the same situation from the right side, it works the same. If you want to get back to the home page, then all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and this motion should be quick and short, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents we have to repeat the motion, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, just like that, and after releasing you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so basically that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.